Yeah, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can deposit on Sharesway, right? And how you can start making money on a daily basis. So I'm going to be showing you live proof on how you can deposit your funds. Now what you need to do is just you can click on this mine. So if you can see this mine here, so you can see here, so just click on this place, right? Once you click on that place, you take it to this, and once you register on this platform, they are going to give you can see they are going to give you $5, all right, 5 USDT. So that is 5 USDT. So now you can see now I've not deposited anything, so I'm going to click on recharge. So you click on what? Recharge here, all right? Click on recharge. So once you click on recharge, you are going to choose USDT. So you can only deposit with USDT TRC20. USDT TRC20. So you click on USDT, and the plan is $50. We have $50, $150, and $400. Now because they are giving you $5, so you need to add $45. All right, and you click on submit. So once you click on submit, so they are going to give you 119 minutes, all right, to make the payment, and this address changes. So after this, you are not going to deposit to this address again, all right? So I'm going to copy this, all right? You can see copy success. So I'm going to go to my exchange, that my BitGet exchange, all right? If you don't have BitGet, you can download BitGet on Play Store, and you can verify. So and you register, you verify with your NIN or BVN, and you can register, all right? So you can see now that I have about 2 hours or something. So I've copied it. Then I'm going to go to my BitGet. So I still have like $100 in my BitGet account, all right? So I'm going to deposit $45 into that account that I've copied, that address that I've copied. I'm going to deposit $45. So I'm going to open it. So I'm going to go to assets, all right? Once I go to assets, I have $100 here, all right? Then I'm going to click on USDT here because I have 100 USDT. I'm going to go to USDT. Sorry. So this is my assets. So I'm going to go to assets, then withdraw. All right, withdraw. So I want to withdraw from USDT here. So you can see USDT. Then I want to send tokens to the recipient via the blockchain network. So I'm going to pick here. So I'm going to what do I call it? So I'm going to go to my my network here. I'm going to choose. You can see it is in BEP20. Make sure it is in TRC20, please. Tron TRC. You can see it here. You can see here. This is what you can choose. You choose here. So they are going to charge 1 USDT. All right. So I will paste the address here. So you please just choose TRC20, please. Make sure it's in TRC20, and I'm going to paste the address here. Then I'm going to do 46. All right, 46 because they are going to charge $1. So I'm going to get 45. All right, so please. So once that is done, I'll click on withdraw. So it will tell me to confirm. All right, I'll click on what? Confirm. So they are going to send me. I'm going to go to my Google authentication. My Google authenticator. I'm going to copy the code for my Google authenticator. I'm going to copy the code. So this is the code BitGet here. I'll copy it. Then I'll come here back. Then I'll paste it here. Then I have my email open on my system. Then I'm going to 463098. All right, so operation successful. You can see operation successful. So I'm going to go back to this here. I'm going to open it again. So viewing live page. So you just wait, all right. Once the order is completed, so the amount is going to be what? It's going to be credited, all right. So I'll just wait. So once the amount is completed, the amount is going to what? Be credited. So you can see now it's saying order paid, all right, order paid. So click on OK, all right. So the order has been paid successfully, all right. The order has been paid successfully. So you can see now that order has been paid. So I'm going to click on go back. So once you activate and you have paid your order, you are going to come to this page back. And after that, say you want to start the program. So you want to start the program. So you can see the balance here, right? You can see the balance here is what? 50. That is 50 USDT. And you can see that deposit is now 0. All right. Now, what you need to do now is you want to start earning. You want to start the program itself. So you are going to click on this VIP list here. You can see VIP list. So once you click on this VIP list, so you are going to see your earning. You are in Oceania. You are going to see. So you can see the advert amount is 3. Earnings is 1.8 US dollar. Then validity is for 5 days. So we are doing the Oceania, all right, and the advert amount here you can see. Now you need to watch 3 adverts on a daily basis. And once you watch 3 adverts on a daily basis, you are going to get $1.8 every day, and for 365 days. You can see that this is superb, and you can see the $50 I have invested. All right. So I'm going to click on what? Activate. You can see it's saying success. All right, it's saying success. All right. So you can see that we are at the home page now. So and you come to this mine again. So you come to this mine. Right. Once you come to this mine, you click on this mine again. So you can see that my deposit now is now $50. All right. At first it was at 0. Now it has $50. Now you are ready now. Now to now start earning money. All right. What you need to do. All right. You click on these adverts. All right. You click on these adverts. All right. There are rules. Once you click on these adverts. All right. So take an eye here. You are going to see something here. This place. So once the timer reads 15 seconds, you are going to watch advert for 15 seconds, and you can see here. You can see that the number of advertisements I receive. They are going to give you 3 adverts. All right. Then after that 3 adverts, you are going to earn this amount, $1.8. And you can see that once this timer gets to 15 seconds, you need to like first. You need to like it, right, before you can claim your earnings. Hope you understand. So I'm going to watch this video now. So you can see that it is counting down. You can see that it is counting down. Once it's counting down, you like it. So once you like it, then you click on receive. So that is all. You can see receive successful. You can see that we now have 2 years left. Alright, we now have 2 years. The another one is, you can see this is another one. So I'm going to watch the second video again. So you can see that it is counting down.
عملت فيديو للقهوة من فترة، ولأني بحب القهوة قررت أعمل لكم فيديو تاني بس بشكل احترافي أكثر. استخدمت الكاميرا الألترا وايد لأخذ شوط ماكرو لحبات البن.
It's counting down. So once it's counting down, I will like it
شوط لاسم البراند بس كنت محتاج موفمنت فاستخدمت التيرن تيبل.
So you can see that it remains 1 again. Alright, so you can see that automatically it's counting down again, the third one. You can see automatically it's counting down. Once it gets to 1 second also, alright, you can see that it has got to 1 second. I'll click on like again. Once I like it, then I'll click on receive. That is all. Alright, that is all. We have completed our task. Right, we have completed our task. Now, if you decide to be watching video, then no problem, but we have completed our daily task. We are going to go to mine again. Once you go to mine, you can see that my balance is now $1.8. You can see my balance. You can see what? $1.8. So that is what I'll be earning every day for 365 days. Every day, $1.8. Once you watch like 30 seconds video, you're going to be earning $1.8 for this thing. You can see how easy it is. How easy it is to make money, passive income, cool money. All right. So this is your chance to join this program. All right. Thank you very much. My name is Steven Ahmed, and I will see you in my other